Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Audio Explore. Today, we're talking about the brand Focus A5 from OneOdio. You might find this brand a bit unfamiliar, but if I mention OpenRock, it should ring a bell. OpenRock is a sub-brand of OneOdio. OneOdio was founded in 2013 in China and specializes in the research and production of audio products such as hi-fi, DJ, and gaming headphones for overseas markets. They have a complete production supply chain, which is one of the reasons their headphones offer great value for money. Now, let's get to the main topic for today. I have spent almost half a month testing this headset, and my immediate impression is that the sound quality is very good. It is also one of the few Bluetooth over-ear headphones at this price point that is suitable for listening to high-energy, bass-heavy tracks. Let me briefly go over the specs. The Focus A5 is priced at $69.99 and it features a 40mm PET diaphragm dynamic driver. It is equipped with the latest Bluetooth 5.4 chip and supports LDAC audio decoding in addition to SBC and AAC. The headset also offers up to 45 decibels adaptive noise cancellation and has a music and gaming mode switch. However, the gaming mode can only be used with the SBC codec. Additionally, the headset supports both wired and wireless dual connections and has received the Small Gold certification. Now, let's talk about the appearance, build, and materials. I have to say, it's really rare to find such a level of craftsmanship and materials at this price point. The last time I encountered this kind of excellent build quality was with JLab. As for the design, there's nothing too flashy. It has a simple and clean aesthetic. The ear cup features a metallic brush texture with concentric circles, and the OneOdio logo is placed in the center. The ear cups are capable of rotating 180 degrees and folding for easy storage. Both the headband and ear cups are covered with memory foam, offering a rebound feel that's somewhat reminiscent of Sony's design. Unlike traditional Bluetooth over-ear headphones, where the tuning holes are hidden near the hinges, the tuning holes on the Focus A5 are boldly placed on the side of the ear cup, adding a bit of flair to its design. As for the functional buttons, they are located on the right ear cup, and all of them are hard physical buttons. The power button is in the center and has a small protrusion to prevent accidental presses. An interesting feature of the Focus A5 is that it has two indicator lights, one for Bluetooth connection and the other for wired connection and charging status. These small details really stand out and show attention to design. Some of you will also notice that the connection between the ear cups and the headband features a shiny connecting piece, which when touched reveals that it's made of real metal. As for the headband's adjustable section, the connection is solid and free from any looseness or wobbling. Additionally, there are plastic reinforcements under the elastic metal parts for added durability. I have to say again, the build quality on this headset is really impressive. Of course, there are some drawbacks. When the headset is in its folded storage state, it feels a bit loose. Another issue is the lack of markings on the headband adjustment tracks. And when you extend the sliders too much, there is a significant slight retracting phenomenon. However, given the price point, these are small issues that don't detract significantly from the overall value. As for the wearing experience, since it is quite subjective, the best feedback is based on actual use. However, I can still offer some objective insights. For someone like me with a larger head, this headset isn't particularly tight, and it is also quite friendly for people who wear glasses. The ear cups fit well around the ears without squeezing the jaw, though after long periods of wearing, it might feel a bit stuffy around the ears. Of course, I strongly recommend against wearing headphones for extended periods. I suggest taking a break every 40 minutes to rest your ears. Moving on to the next point. As for the call quality, I will play a sample recording for you to judge.
Test 1 2 3 1 2 3. Test 1 2 3 1 2 3.
Now, let's move on to the battery life and latency. Here is a chart summarizing the details. Finally, a brief note on sound quality. The high frequencies are not overly bright, but extend quite well with good tonal accuracy. The mid-range, particularly the vocals, is slightly recessed, but detail retrieval is quite good. and sibilant suppression is excellent. The bass is quite substantial with excellent depth and fast rebound, but it doesn't overpower the highs or mids. Now, let's move on to a listening demo. Please make sure to wear your headphones for a more accurate evaluation.
Feel the air around me as it starts to move. I realize I never had that much to
That's all for today's video. If it helped you, please consider following and liking this video. It means a lot to me. Thank you very much.